manual. The lens. 1855 and the kit lens from Canon. Could be pretty cool. Piece of wire. Seems to have a plug in it. That's always a good thing.
Siyempre.
And a box. You always need a box.
What box?
The box is hopefully going to put the battery in it, so I can plug that into the wall, and so everything will go lighty.
Okay.
So we'll play with that later.
That's the body.
It's the dead body. This is where it becomes criminal, because it's a dead body. There's no blood so far.
That's the body of the camera.
This is looking quite sexy. Ooh, baby.
Baby.
Come out of
Wow.
your cover. Ooh,
Ang ganda.
it comes with buttons. Lots of buttons. Don't know how to use it. Never mind. Try that way.
Don't do that.
And I've got
No, there's another one.
There's not.
This one, the belt, where you can.
That's not a belt.
You can tie for your to hold the camera, right?
No, this is for bondage.
Ah, ang ganda.
So,
Canon.
If you want some really disgusting video footage, maybe I can get you carried away now. but it's very sticky. Ooh, baby. Anyway.
Then the other one.
And I have another.
What's that? Lens?
I have no idea. It was a nice box though. And it has another piece of paper.
Warranty.
I think it's a rocket.
Rocket.
I think I bought a rocket. It's a very nice box.
Ganda to guys kasi 5-year warranty siya.
Inside the box I have
Oh,
another
something fell.
thing.
Probably.
Yeah, I know. That sort of
Yeah,
goes
yeah,
up
yeah.
like that.
It's over. That will zoom, right? Zoom and okay.
Ooh. Baby. And
This one.
maybe that,
What's that?
goes on there, or that goes on there.
Oh.
Maybe that goes on there,
Yeah.
or maybe it goes on there. No, it's that way. Stupid me. It's a tripod.
No, put it
It's
down.
like a tripod.
Put it down.
What?
Yeah, ang ganda.
And then
Guys, ano, nagpa-photography kasi siya before. So, yan.
and then I have
You can use it also. What's that?
a little package that is expensive for no good reason,
Made in Japan. Lens Protect.
but it's made in Japan, so
Yeah.
it must be good.
Yeah,
And
another
then
one.
I've got another one that's just in case I got the wrong size in the first place.
Is it like a screen protector? I'm not sure. Yeah, it says.
Well, it says UV film.
Oh, yun nga, screen protector yan.
No.
Oh, the other one, what's this?
That's the box.
Ah, It's all complete, this one.
Well, that bit goes in that bit, and then that bit goes on that bit, and then when you've finished, you end up with what we call, in professional terms,
no, Gregory, it will not fall.
It's called professional pyramid.
It will not fall, Ayan, guys, that's it. EOS 200.
And apparently you can put those
Canon.
long bits in the short bit, but I don't understand that. And apparently there's an on button somewhere.
So it's okay now.
It was a lot easier buying guitars. Guitars you just plug in and they just work. These have many buttons. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys. Ayan ang aming unboxing ng aming bagong camera. Bye bye guys. Babush. You can use it.